Welcome to day 47 at Project Chief. Today is all about siding. We're going to bend some flashings up to start with, which a guest appearance from my wife, Rachel, will be doing that work. And then I'll be installing some soffits and more siding. Enjoy. Okay, our day is done, and as you noticed, it was just me today. Our trusty sidekick Andy is taking care of his family today. So, good on you, Andy, for taking care of your family today. And this outro, I guess, is being filmed inside the truck because it's 93 degrees outside, and I am very hot. So, if you have any questions about what's going on, leave it in the comments section below. Like the video. Share it if you want to, or you feel like, someone out there would enjoy it. And go ahead and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow.